Welcome back to BikeZone channel, everyone. Today we're excited to delve into the 2025 Yamaha R15, a bike that promises to deliver performance, style, and cutting-edge technology. Let's see what this latest model brings to the table. Design aesthetics. Let's kick things off with the design. The 2025 R15 boasts an aggressive and sporty aesthetic, highlighted by its sharp lines and aerodynamic contours. The new LED headlamps not only enhance visibility but also contribute to its modern look. With a range of striking color options available, this bike is designed to make a statement on the road. Engine performance. Moving on to performance, the heart of the R15 is its 155cc liquid-cooled engine. This engine features variable valve actuation (VVA), ensuring a seamless power delivery across various RPMs. Riders will appreciate the impressive torque and acceleration, whether you're commuting or taking on twisty roads. Coupled with a lightweight chassis, this bike feels incredibly nimble, making every ride exhilarating. Technology features. Now let's talk about technology. The updated digital instrument cluster is a standout feature, providing essential data at a glance. Riders can track gear position, fuel consumption, and more. Additionally, the integration of Bluetooth connectivity allows for smartphone pairing, enabling navigation and music control right from the dashboard, a fantastic feature for today's tech-savvy riders. Ride handling. When it comes to ride quality, the 2025 R15 shines. The improved suspension system offers excellent handling and comfort, allowing for smooth cornering and stability at high speeds. Its lightweight frame means you can maneuver easily through traffic or twisty roads, making it perfect for both city commuting and spirited rides on the weekend. Safety features. Safety is always a priority, and the R15 doesn't skimp here either. Equipped with advanced braking technology and ABS, riders can expect reliable stopping power. This gives you the confidence to push your limits while knowing you have the safety features to back you up. Conclusion. Yamaha R15 is a remarkable package that combines stunning design, powerful performance, and advanced technology. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first sport bike or an experienced rider seeking a thrilling machine, the R15 is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, ride safe. Thanks for joining BikeZone.